I swear by the moon and the stars in the skies, and I swear like the shadow that's by your side. I see the questions in your eyes, and I know what's weighing on your mind. You can be sure I know my part, 'cause I'll stand beside you through the years, and you'll only cry those happy tears. And though I'll make mistakes, I'll never break your heart. And I swear by the moon and the stars